hear thunderstorm warning.
possibilities at this point.
You hear
I haven't been able to look
thunderstorm
to
warning.
that. That's the first time that I've seen that. Nor do I want to look at it
A
because I
severe
think it'll all work
thunderstorm
its way
warning
out.
and
Luckily,
alert.
all I know is that we played Wake Forest at 4 o'clock on Saturday.
Well, you are playing them, and in that scout report, you've got a man, Deron Miller, that is now recorded double-digit boards in 9 straight ACC games. That's the most since a guy named Tim Duncan did have 11 back in 96, 97. What do you have with a guy that could pull a double-double 98 night-outs?
Well, he's good. He may be the most improved player in the league and playing great and rebounding the basketball. He's scoring the basketball also. He's really good. He protects the rim. He's got a lot of it. He's a big concern of ours.
Well, the record doesn't necessarily show it whether you're a Wake Forest, but they have been very competitive the last 5 close games. Do you figure that one of those teams is sitting there thinking that maybe our record will probably a little bit better than our record?
Absolutely. They're a good basketball team. You look at it, anytime you beat, they beat Georgia Tech, and they said like 18 the last time, no, 17, 18 points. It's a good basketball team, and on their own floor. They do a good job. They got experienced guards who can really score. We talked about Moore's gotten a lot better. It'll be a big challenge for us.
Pretty good offensive